Amazon Fire TV Stick. Probably the best thing to happen to this country ever. It gives you Prime Video, this Spiffily Get Me, then ITV Hub, all for BBC. In fact, it's so good, I decided to donate some to all friends in continent called Europe. Oh, wow! I'll raise the
And the U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission wants you to know about the voluntary recall of all Samsung washing machines. The washing machines may contain explosion hazard, blowing apart, and hitting the walls. Do not use the appliance. Throw away the appliance or return to Samsung headquarters for recall problems. Your safety is of the utmost importance to us. We are most appreciative. We, the people of it, will all go forward in our new careers, and we assure you that we will always have the people of the Up in their hearts. Mo Shi Twilight, the bedtime app will be